Oh, my goodness gracious. Why, pray tell, do you have balloons with 6-7 on them, Mr. Creepy Clown? You startled the heebie-jeebies right out of me.
Six, 7. Six, 7?
Hamlet the monkey, what are you doing at our front door? Did you lose your key?
Nope.
Then why did you ring the doorbell?
6, 7.
What are you saying?
6, 7.
Hello? What on earth?
Six, 7.
Hello? Oh, it's the creepy clown again. 6, 7.